Today we're going to be throwing it back to a trend of water bottle flipping. So grab a friend, a sibling, parent, whoever is around your house who's willing to play this game with you, and set up a shape of whatever you want and divide it into 4 different sections and assign it points of 5, 10, 15, and 20. And so you're both going to take turns flipping the water bottle and seeing if you can land it in one of those areas. Every time you land it, you get that amount of points. So let's say I flip it and I land it in the area that has the number 10, I get 10 points. If you land it 3 times in a row, you get an extra 25 points. And the first person to 100 points wins. So we'll do a quick demonstration now.